Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML script tag. The HTML script tag is used to define a client-side script, JavaScript. The script element either contains script statements or it points to an external script file through the src attribute. Common uses for JavaScript are image manipulation, form validation, and dynamic changes of content. To select HTML element, JavaScript most often uses the document.getElementById method. This JavaScript example writes hello JavaScript into HTML element with ID demo. So quickly, let me show you what is going on right here. For example, we are having our opening and closing script tag along with document.getElementById demo dot inner HTML is equal to hello JavaScript. I'm going to explain this further. So quickly, let's continue. You can learn more about our JavaScript in our JavaScript crash course tutorial. We have different playlists on this channel where you can watch different tutorials. We are having JavaScript crash course and we are having HTML JavaScript tutorial playlist also. So you can find anyone there and check what's going on there. So let's get back to our document to see what we are going to do today. So back to our document. Right here in our page here, we are this is from our previous tutorial. So you can check our previous tutorial on iframe. That's where we get all this, and also you can check our JavaScript tutorial to see how we display this time. So you find it there. So now quickly, let's do something. What I'm trying to do right now, I've already explained it several times, but I'm trying to do this once again today, so that you can all understand what is going on. So let's say for instance, we want to write a new JavaScript here that selects something. What we are going to do is that we are going to use the script tag. When we use the script tag, inside the script tag, we are having our opening and closing script tag. So inside our opening and closing script tag, we are going to give it something. So what we are going to do is that document dot get element by what? By ID. As you can see, we are having document.getElementById, and we are telling this JavaScript to select any element that is having ID inside our HTML file. So let's quickly create that element. Let's create a p tag here. Under our script tag, let's create a p tag, and inside there is where we want to display our content. So quickly, let's give our p tag an ID. Let's give it an ID. When we give it an ID, let's give it U. Let's give it U so you can understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's get back to our JavaScript again. After the document.getElementById, give it a parenthesis. After the parenthesis, what you are going to do again is that you are going to give it double quote. So when you give it double quote, inside that double quote, you are going to give it U again. The same name you are giving this double quote is the same name you are going to put inside your ID as the name ID for your p tag. So quickly, and also you can, after the parenthesis, you are going to give it dot inner .html. Don't you forget, after the double quote, after the parenthesis, you are going to give it dot inner HTML. So after that, you are going to say is equal to what? Whatever you want to say. Let's say hello JavaScript. So right there, let's just close it with this. And give it that, you can close it like that. So what you are trying to do is that we are telling JavaScript to please document us get element from our HTML that is having ID, which is U, and inside of that element, help us write hello JavaScript there. No, so that's what we are trying to say. But I want to show you one thing that will happen right here now. Let's save our document and see what will happen. As you all know, on top this button here, what we have did so far supposed to display on top it, but you are going to see what will happen. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Nothing happened yet. Only space just happened right here. You just notice our button here just jumped to the, just moved down a little bit, but nothing happened yet. So quickly, let me show you the reason why. The reason why is that when you are specifying script tag inside our body tag here, most times make sure that you are having whatsoever you want to control it with. The thing you want to control that script tag with, let it be on top of the script tag so that it can be able to work and so that it can be able to display. That is, we are having our p tag at the top. After that, we are having our script tag. Inside our script tag at the bottom, we are having what our document.getElement by id, parentheses, double quote, along with the text, the value, along with the dot inner dot h dot, along with the dot inner html, along with the value that we want to give it. So save your document now. I hope it should display now. Let's reload it. Can you see? It displays automatically. That's what is going on. So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next